Hi guys, welcome back to Dave Johnson Online. Just before we start today, I would like to introduce you to my website. This is it, straight in front of you. As you can see, it's davejohnson.online. They can go straight to my blog from here if you just click on the links. What I'm showing you for is I've got a free webinar for beginners and intermediates for affiliate training. If anybody's interested in that, all they have to do is come along to my website, davejohnson.online. You'll land on this page, click on this here, webinar, and that'll send you straight to the free training. Absolutely no credit cards, payments or anything. It's all free. It's absolutely fabulous if you're learning how to make money online, affiliate marketing. This is the way to go. Right, anyway, subscribe to my channel if you will, please guys, for some more free stuff next time I'm on. Right, today I want to talk about some video 3D animation software that I've come across. It is a paid product, but I only go for the best products, you know that. If you've been watching my videos from past, I only recommend the very best products out there. Now, this is absolutely fantastic. I've got it myself. I always buy the products myself and then tell you about them and give you an honest opinion about them after. So I'll let the video run through and see what you think, guys.
Really, Viddyoze is one of the biggest points in my arsenal for creative coolness.
I love it because it is so easy to use. The simplicity, it's just so quick, so simple, anybody can do it.
Never met a match I couldn't handle. No one else could ever hold a candle. Get ready for a battle, 'cause you know
Cannot say enough about it. The guys, they are great. The support's phenomenal. Hands down, if you're ever sitting on the fence of whether to go with Viddyoze or not, even if you're in the motion graphic industry or not, go for it. Give it a shot. excited to see what's coming in the future.
Okay guys, well that was pretty impressive if I don't say so myself. Like I say, I only show you the best products out there, so if you're going into video marketing you can actually make your money back within a week easily, because you can create stingers, logos, 3D animations, all sorts. It's unlimited. There's loads of training in there, how to make money with the videos. It's absolutely jam-packed, solid, worth of video, animations, 3D, intros, outros, you name it, stingers, the lot. It's got everything. So I highly recommend that product. If you want to go and take a look for yourself, click the link below this video and that'll take you straight to Viddyoze, the page, the actual page where you buy the product. Like I say, all I can say is it's absolutely fantastic, and I shall see you soon, guys. I've got to rush off now, sorry. So I'll see you soon with hopefully another free product or some free information to help you on the way. Don't forget about my webinar as well after. Take care guys, see you next time.